Hi, friends. My name is Amy. I'm one of the co-creators here at Whole Self Unity.
And I'm Juana, also a co-creator at Whole Self Unity.
My name is Tracy. I'm also a co-creator here at Whole Self Unity. Whole Self Unity is a 501c3 corporation. Our mission is fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatments.
And part of our exercise to grow community and increase healing for all by providing integrative alternative therapies that are an and to medical care is to provide a beautiful 3-day event that's up on Facebook right now. It's called 100 Hours of Healing.
So check us out, 100 Hours of Healing just for you. It's all on Facebook until December 6th for free. After that, it will be on other platforms. Check us out, hashtag 100 Hours of Healing, hashtag Whole Self Unity. See you there.
Bye.
Bye.